Hey guys, I'm super stoked to share something mind-blowing with you today that might just revolutionize the way you think about investing. We're diving into the world of ETFs, and I've got the inside scoop on the top 5 picks for Canadians in 2025. But before we jump in, let me give you a quick rundown on what ETFs are and why they're so incredibly awesome. Trust me, this is going to be cooler than a liquid nitrogen ice cream experiment. Alright, so what exactly is an ETF? Well, think of it like a particle accelerator for your money. Just like how a particle accelerator combines different elements, an ETF combines a bunch of different stocks or bonds. It's like buying a whole pizza instead of individual slices. You get a piece of everything in one go. ETFs are super popular because they're easy to buy, they spread out your risk, and they're usually cheaper than buying a bunch of individual stocks. Now, when we're picking the best ETFs, we've got to look at a few things. We want them to be diverse, have low fees, perform well, and be tax efficient. Oh, and speaking of 2025, the Canadian market is looking pretty interesting. We're seeing more tech companies popping up, renewable energy is booming, and our economy is becoming even more globally connected. It's like watching a real-life Sim City evolve right before our eyes. Let's kick things off with our first awesome pick, the Vanguard FTSE Canada All-Cap Index ETF, or VCN for short. This bad boy tracks pretty much the entire Canadian stock market. It's like having a little piece of every public company in Canada. Next up, we're heading south of the border with the iShares Core S&P 500 Index ETF ex-US. This ETF is like your all-access pass to the 500 biggest companies in the US. We're talking tech giants, healthcare innovators, and everything in between. And here's the mind-blowing part. It's traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange, so you don't have to worry about currency conversion fees. It's like having a teleporter for your money, zapping it straight into the US market without the hassle. Now, let's take a trip across the pond with the BMO MSCI EAFE Index ETF, ZEA. This ETF is your ticket to international markets outside of North America. We're talking Europe, Australia, and Asia. It's like adding some international spice to your investment pizza. Diversification is the name of the game here, folks. But wait, there's more. If you want to go full-on global, check out the Vanguard FTSE Global All-Cap Canada Index ETF VXC. This ETF is like the United Nations of investing. It covers pretty much the entire world, except Canada. Why exclude Canada? Well, we've already got that covered with VCN, remember? This way, you're getting exposure to emerging markets and developed countries all in one neat package. It's like having a financial Pangea, where all the world's markets are connected. Last but not least, we've got the Horizons S&P/TSX 60 Index ETF. It's super tax efficient, like it has a cloaking device. It focuses on the 60 largest companies in Canada. It's like the all-star team of Canadian stocks. Now you might be wondering, how do I get started? First, open up a brokerage account. Once you've picked your ETFs, consider setting up automatic investments. It's like putting your investing on autopilot. You're essentially building a financial robot that works for you 24/7. How cool is that? We've just scratched the surface of these top 5 ETFs set to rock the Canadian investment world in 2025. It's like we've built a financial Rube Goldberg machine, and now it's time to set it in motion. So, are you ready to become a financial superhero? Your ETF adventure is just beginning.